Oh, here's a wonderful stone of Hackmanite under UV light. Take a look. It's a totally darkness inside this room, and you see how they are glowing, the chunks. So I have a short wave and a long wave radiation here. So there is another one. See, it shows orangish color. I think this one is short wave because the stones glow too much, and this is a lot of light. You see, looks more powerful than the other one. And here's the long wave. Truly mind-blowing. So now I will turn on the lights again for you, so you see they are more rich in color after exposing to UV lights. Truly beautiful. Thank you for watching.